Medical science mainly focus to study about human disease, its diagnosis and cure. But anthropologists interested to study about all dimensions of mankind. Medical anthropologists also interested to study about human disease, its diagnosis and its cure, its treatment. But both medical scientists and medical anthropologists follow different approaches to the study of human disease. Medical scientists utilize biomedical approach for the study of human disease. Anthropologists utilize biomedical cultural approach to the study of human disease. Medical scientists mainly focus to study about modern medical practice, but anthropologists mainly focus to study about ethnomedicine, and anthropologists has established the importance of ethnomedicine in our contemporary society. So medical scientist does not give focus to a study about social aspect, cultural aspect, religious aspect of mankind for the understanding of disease, but anthropologists focus to a study about cultural, social, political, religious aspect of man for the understanding of disease. So both utilize quite different method for the understanding of disease, and therefore both subjects have fundamental differences.